Hi, I'm Christy.
I'm Sam.
And we are Desert Destinations. Today, we are at the Verde Canyon Railroad.
Okay. You see the tree right behind us? We're going to jump on that thing here in a minute and take a ride around the Verde Valley Canyon.
This is called Arizona's other Grand Canyon. It's the second largest in the state. Total of red rock formations, desert vistas, and this all shifts with the light.
Yeah, when the light hits it, it changes. The rock changes colors. Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon? You see the light hit the rocks. It'll actually change from purples to reds. It's really pretty. So it's basically it's just rust.
Yeah, the red rock formation is iron oxide.
Yeah. So okay. And a little history about the train here, guys. This is called an EMD locomotive. There's only 2 of 10 in existence, or actually there's 10 in existence. 2 of them are here at the Verde Canyon.
And they were originally from the Alaskan Railroad in 1953, so we got that.
Yeah, and then these were actually made by General Motors, believe it or not. General Motors built these back in 1912 for the Alaskan Railroad. That's what they was originally for.
And then we used it for copper mining here.
Yeah, for copper mining from Clarksdale to what's the city it went to?
Jerome.
Yeah, Clarksdale to Jerome.
Yeah. For
the copper mining. That was actually put in place in 1953 for the copper mining, and then in 1988 they realized that after the copper mines died, they realized this could be a great tourist attraction, so they turned it into a tourist destination. In 1988, what was the guy's name who bought the?
Dave Durbano.
Dave Durbano bought it out.
Like in 1988, and then in 1990, November 23rd,
1990 was the first time this actually left the depot as a tourist attraction. So there's outdoor cars in it. There's actually box cars in it. You can actually sit in those or actually go outside and walk around.
Yeah, they have everything. They have drinks. They have appetizers. They have food. You can sit down in the cars and stay inside, or you can go out like we're going to do right here, if you can see it, all these platforms right here, so that we can see everything, and everything will be recorded for you.
Yeah, this is a 40-mile round trip from Clarksdale to Burkittsville. 20 miles up, 20 miles back. It actually goes through a 680-foot curved tunnel that they actually
what they did is when they did the copper mining, they blasted it out.
Yeah, so we'll get to see that, and it's completely pitch dark. We go through there, which will be kind of cool. Good thing we're not scared of the dark, right, Krista?
Yeah.
Okay, but guys, we are looking forward to this. It's going to be a great adventure. We're going to bring a lot of footage. Hopefully, we can see some wildlife. There's like 200 different species of wildlife that we can see through the Verde Valley.
We got hawks, blue herons,
bald eagles.
Bald eagles. Bald eagles are usually in the winter. They habitat in the winter, so you can bring binoculars on this journey. So anybody who's bird watchers, there's like tons of birds out here.
Birds, and we might see some mountain goats. Could see some.
Okay, I don't know about mountain goats.
There's some mountain goats up here. There's mountains.
Okay, I think
some coyotes, things like that. There's all kinds of different wildlife up here. So we're looking forward to it, guys. It's going to be a great adventure. We are going to get on the train we're actually early this morning. We woke up early, decided to get up here and
be first in line.
First in line, so we can get you guys some good pictures of this. But it's going to be an exciting trip, and we got some other things planned this afternoon. But this is going to be the highlight of the day for sure. So we'll bring you guys some footage. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And guys, thanks for watching our videos. We really do appreciate it.
We do. Thank you.
Thank you so much. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. Share it, leave us a comment. What do you think?
And if it takes us a little while to get back to you, it's because one of our systems, we're having some problems with it. But please leave a comment. We will get back to you as soon as we can.
Absolutely. And guys, share it. If there's somewhere you'd like to see me and Christy go that you would like to, if you're not from Arizona and you see a place in Arizona you'd like to know more about, leave a note in the comments. We'll try to hit it up, because we're going to travel all over the state. We've got a lot of big plans for this channel. We want to bring you the beauty of the state and show you different locations.
Now, a side note, as far as the Grand Canyon, we are holding off on that right now because they had a wildfire several months ago. The problem is the water pipes. They're doing like 12 miles of water pipes, so there's no water or anything up there. So we're kind of holding off on that for a little while before we go up there.
Yeah, but if there's anywhere else you would like to see us visit, we're going to go over the state of Arizona. And, the deserts beyond Arizona, we could go to Utah, New Mexico. If there's anywhere you'd like to see us go that you'd like to learn more about, by all means, hit us up. And we'll definitely try to visit that location. All right, guys. So we're going to get ready to get boarded up here in a little bit. And we'll see you guys on the train.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, if you want to introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
What's your...
Hi, I'm Desi Treadaway from New Orleans, Louisiana. Actually, just like 35 minutes west, a little town called Houma.
All right. Nice to meet you, Bess.
Come on.
Yeah, well, we'll reach on our channel. Just say your name and where you're from.
Oh, okay. Harold Treadaway. I'm from Empire, Louisiana.
That's truly where we're from.
Empire, Louisiana.
Down where the mouth of the river is.
Mouth of the
you
river.
go.
Mississippi River.
I know where that is. I've been to Mississippi.
One way in and one way out.
It is so nice to finally meet some more Southern people.
Yes.
We're actually from Virginia, West Virginia. So,
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so it's nice to meet some people that have some of the same taste we have.
Yes.
We're going to
Nice
put you
to
on
meet
our
you
channel. I
guys
appreciate
also.
that.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Nice
to
to
meet
meet you. Okay, you can go back
Okay.
to there now.
Yeah,
by herself or
yes.
something like that.
She went over behind the tree or something,
Yes,
squatted
yes.
and gave birth.
now. But we just wanted to do our closing for this one.
What an experience it was too. I mean, the tickets are kind of high. It's like $140 some a ticket.
You can get from 136 to like 187 plus, but they give you appetizers at the beginning. You get like grapes, cheese. You get like turkey and some other stuff
And
with
a
crackers.
big old brownie.
And a big, huge brownie.
With chocolate chips in it. It's really good. And then also, guys, you get a free either a breakfast or a lunch voucher, which I mean its proportions are huge.
Yeah,
so.
and some of those are like $19, $20
Yes.
just to pay for, so it's free.
Yep.
So it's 100% worth the price of it just to do that. And as you can see, I've changed clothes again and took off the heavy thing because I am now hot. So now we're moving on to our next monument, and
Well, I mean, also just to want to throw out there too, if you guys do decide to come out here and do this railroad, the staff here is incredible. They're very knowledgeable, very friendly.
nice.
If you ask them questions about anything on the tour or on the route, they know what they're talking about. They're very prepared. So it's highly recommended. If you guys are living in Arizona or visiting Arizona, we both highly recommend this as a stop on your destinations. It's well worth it.
Yes, 100%. And so hit the like or subscribe button. Please leave a comment. We will get back to you. And as always, keep exploring.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.